Yeah, it's definitely stiffer riding.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You what?
I have to be careful about how much I correct.
Because it reacts right away?
Yeah, I like went to like full stop and I like dug myself a hole.
Nice. It's another night up here at Stevens Pass, and right now it is blizzarding. It's supposed to get about a foot of snow or so tonight, which is why we came up here. What we forgot to look at was the actual temperatures up here. With wind chill, it's in the single digits, and it's definitely cold. But we are starting to warm up, and the more we ride, hopefully, the warmer we get. But tonight, Sarah is trying out her new bindings, which are the Sky Ranger bindings from Karakoram. They're a little bit stiffer than what she had before, but they're pretty sweet. Hopefully she likes them. And yeah, we're up here and we're gonna get it. There is only 2 lifts running. We have Daisy and Hogs. Hopefully that changes at some point because there's a lot of terrain that's really fun to ride up here at night when everything's open. Look at this, we've had 136 inches of snow in like the last 2.5 weeks, and there's still bushes sticking out. That's crazy. Usually all that stuff's covered up.
Because it's just like straight nuking in your face.
Yeah, and the light reflects back and
Yep.
you got nothing. All right, this is last run for us. We were just stuck on the lift for like 10 minutes and got super cold. And so now we're done. We still got quite a few runs in and it was pretty good. It's just dumping snow, so people coming tomorrow are gonna have a blast. And let's finish this out.
Woo! Yeah, deep this is. Nice. Good job. Yep. Here, I'll trade you. So end of night update. Riding was good. It kept refilling, which is awesome. And because it's so cold tonight, it's just dry powder. So it's a fantastic night for riding. Can't complain about conditions. Probably should have brought an extra hand warmer and jacket, but other than that, you're moving, so feels good to be out. As far as my bindings go, you know, they're awesome. I have been so used to riding a board with just super loosey-goosey bindings, and these are so nice that they're in the middle on stiffness, and so actually performed really well. I had one point where I stopped myself completely, and I'm used to basically overcorrecting now with these, and because I stopped so abruptly, I dug myself a hole. So it just tells you how quick they are to react, which is great. So I'm super stoked to keep riding on these and get used to them, and yeah, so far so good. Stiffer is a little bit better for me for resort riding. And with that, have a good night. Click the like button below, and we'll see you in the next episode.